making flattened jerk chicken, and if we have a little bit extra of the jerk sauce, we're gonna do some jerk cauliflower for our vegan friends.
It's gonna be so super spicy, so delicious. You really only need one Scotch bonnet because
with the seeds removed.
that's all I can handle. But look at this thing, this is so cute. It's all flattened out, it's ready to go. Looks like you could just shake his little hand.
That's his foot. That's his foot.
Once COVID is over, what do you think the new handshake is gonna be? Because I sure as heck am not gonna be touching anybody.
I've actually seen people do this.
Me too.
I've seen that.
Yeah.
I've seen that, but I was thinking, I think it would be like pretty wild if you saw people like at a boardroom being like, yes, nice to meet you.
Yes.
And like doing like the foot shake.
I feel like that is good. That could work.
That's good. You could still like,
Would
you're
you
still face to face. You could still look, you gotta look someone in the eye when your hand's
Are you gonna shake it or are you just touching
No, I
it?
think you're just tapping.
That's good. That's not bad.
It takes some coordination. You don't want to be like, oh.
I've also seen people just do this. Just do a front.
No. That's you're coming into my space, and what if you're breathing on me?
Yeah, that's
spitting
true.
on
That's
me?
not gonna work.
No, I don't like that.
What about a hip bump?
Ooh, I like a hip
What
bump.
about like,
Let's see,
what about like, hey Jenny, haven't seen you in a while.
I like it, but I feel like that could be like too aggressive. You could be like, hey Bob, I like your grass. And then Bob goes fine.
Yeah, I can see that. What about like, you know when people in like sports teams do the like hand break?
You can't touch hands.
No, I'm not saying touch. I'm saying like do it in the air like this.
No, it's because then you're too coordinated. You're like, well, I'm zigging and you're zagging. Like, I don't know what's going on.
All right, thankfully we don't have to deal with that for a very long time because I don't think that anybody's going to be getting near anybody in a long time. So let's get this chicken on the grill.
Let's go. Okay, so before we start building our sauce, we gotta get this chicken on the grill because we're cooking it hot fast. Because I don't know about you guys, but if you've ever had smoked chicken, sometimes it tends to have a gummy skin, and we are not about that gummy skin.
No, we want it to be nice and crunchy, nice and crispy. That's why we have the SmokeFire set to 400 degrees and we're using some hickory wood. And you'll notice we have nothing on the bird because all the flavor is going to come from that jerk sauce.
Also, speaking of hot and crispy, I am burning up right now. I feel like I'm gonna be hot and crispy if we don't hurry up and get out of the sun.
Honey, stick a fork in me, I'm done.
Okay, so let's start building our jerk sauce. So it starts with all of these very, very flavorful ingredients, hence why the chicken's going onto the grill dry. So we're gonna start with a head of garlic, the juice of 1 orange and 1 lime, green onions, whole whack of ginger. This is allspice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Those are the keys to great tasting jerk sauce. Some brown sugar, olive oil, soy sauce, and you could add some salt and pepper to taste if that's not salty enough for you. Some fresh thyme from my garden, and again, a Scotch bonnet with the seeds removed, but if you like it really spicy, feel free to leave the seeds in. Oh, and if you got a little sauce there, yep, tasting good. So you can leave it chunky like this, or you can blend it, but we love it chunky. We like to taste all the different ingredients that's in there. All right, let's head in there for the first brushing of the chicken.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. You can smell that Scotch bonnet like instantly as soon as it hits the grill.
Thank goodness we took the seeds out.
What we're gonna do for the jerk cauliflower is pour the jerk marinade right on top. We're cooking with the Weber Genesis using the mom method, and we're gonna let it do its thing. Today we're using the Weber Connect to make sure that this juicy chicken stays perfectly juicy at 165, and you want to make sure that you're impaling the bird in the thickest part of the breast, so right about here.
Oh my goodness,
That looks perfect. Golden brown, still so juicy, getting that Scotch bonnet smell right off the top.
ooh, that does smell spicy. This is a two-man job to get that chicken to that tray. We're using 2 spatulas because we don't want to wreck that skin.
I feel like I could like suntan with this tray right now
Okay,
too.
that's so bad for you.
Here he comes. Get him on.
Perfect execution, man.
She's heavy. She's really heavy.
Oh, that is heavy.
All right, now we're gonna let that rest and we'll get it chopped up. Chickens come off the grill. It's looking absolutely fantastic. Now all we have to do is slice it up. Ooh, it's so juicy.
It smells so good. It all comes down to this, the final taste test. We've got the chicken, we've got the cauliflower. We're serving it with a pineapple salsa, super fresh, and it helps to offset some of that spiciness.
Exactly, these are the flavors of summer. Kiki, make me a bite.
Okay, I'm gonna make you a bite. You got
And
some
I'll
of the,
make you a bite.
okay, so we got some of the dark meat. Mad likes her dark meat.
Hands up if you're a dark meat fan, right here. 2 hands up on that.
Although when you make a smoked chicken like this, everything stays so juicy. So I think
It's so
dark
true.
or white.
Yeah, but dark meat just tastes better. It's not about the juiciness, it's the flavor.
Okay, that's a
Let's
perfect
do
bite.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Sorry.
I don't know if I was gonna continue and it didn't.
Because I want to eat it.
Here comes the airplane.
Yes, bring it right
All the
here.
way from
Right
Jamaica.
Oh.
That pineapple salsa.
Mm-hmm.
It's something about it being so cold with the hot, juicy chicken too.
Very gingery.
Ooh, that's what I like to hear. Now make me a bite of the cauliflower. I love jerk because it can go plant-based so easy.
Yes. Jerk actually goes surprisingly well with all veg.
Yeah, it really does. Make sure you get some of the pineapple salsa on there, please.
Okay, now I get to do a plane.
Yeah, I want a good airplane.
No, this is a helicopter.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't think they do that.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So good.
That's the flavor explosion.
It really is. You can taste the soy, you can taste the brown sugar. It's sweet, it's spicy. Actually not too spicy.
No, I think taking the seeds out of Scotch bonnet is mandatory.
Yes, because Scotch bonnet tastes so good, but you don't want sometimes that overwhelmingly powerful heat. Okay, wow, someone's going back in. So
No,
am I.
you just want a nice heat that you can still eat and enjoy. When you have that nice heat in the back of your throat, where you're not like, I can't breathe. Favorite summer meal, one of them. Top 5.
Definitely jerk anything. Oh
Get a
no, I
little-
just got some of the heat. I just got some of the heat.
Uh-oh. Get a little rice and pea action in there.
Jeff's serving this with rice and peas. And on that note,
Mm-hmm.
it tastes so good. I'm hot, but I still want to dance. Makes me feel